With the EU AI Act, enterprise prompt management is a strict legal requirement. Welcome to PromptEasy.eu, the world's first managed prompt infrastructure built for enterprise governance. From your central dashboard, you can easily organize corporate teams, activate high-risk AI guardrails with a single toggle, and track signed compliance agreements in one secure, audit-ready location. Let's see how PromptEasy automates structural compliance at the infrastructure layer. For high-risk AI applications, transparency is mandatory. Toggle on Article 50 transparency templates to automatically inject regulatory disclosures into system messages at runtime. Every single API request generates an unalterable vault receipt, providing your legal teams with an immutable audit trail of exactly what was sent, when, and under what parameters. Security is built directly into our core multi-tenant architecture. PromptEasy enforces strict, multi-level role-based access control to isolate departmental data. Even global superadmins are completely restricted from accessing sensitive team vaults unless explicitly authorized, keeping your intellectual property and client data fully ring-fenced. For engineers, separating prompts from application code changes everything. PromptEasy acts as a headless prompt registry. Using standard API keys and the Model Context Protocol, developers dynamically fetch managed prompts into external apps, terminal environments, or workflows like N8N. Pass live variables instantly without ever hardcoding text or redeploying codebases. Prompt maintenance becomes a frictionless daily operation. Non-technical managers can edit and optimize prompts just like a standard document, submit updates as suggestions, organize them into structured categories, and collaborate seamlessly. Domain experts optimize the copy, while admins review and approve changes with a single click, instantly updating production. Now, let's look at complete data sovereignty and ultimate portability. You retain complete ownership of your data with zero vendor lock-in. We guarantee absolute data portability. Instantly export entire prompt vaults as clean, raw JSON data structures for external developer integration or secure offline archives. Your prompts are your company's source code and IP. PromptEasy eliminates institutional memory loss, stopping your organization's collective AI brain from walking out the door. With our powerful search and filtering suite, navigating your enterprise knowledge base is effortless. You can locate any asset instantly by category, tags, or by title. It turns scattered knowledge into an organized, sovereign, and searchable digital fortress. Secure your data and stay fully compliant with AI regulations. Build your managed prompt infrastructure today at PromptEasy.eu. GDPR sovereign and AI Act aligned.